Folks, it's 2025. AI is moving fast, faster than ever. It's changing business, money, opportunity. And if you're not using AI to grow, you're falling behind. That's why I love AutoBuzz AI. It's powerful, it's smart, a total winner. This tool uses AI-powered commenting, advanced GPT intelligence to post on viral content. You get noticed, you get followers, you get traffic. Tremendous, and it works everywhere. Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook. Multi-platform domination, all on autopilot. You can set your brand voice, friendly, professional, even bold, and AutoBuzz adapts. Sounds just like you, totally authentic. Already using ChatGPT or Claude? Even better. AutoBuzz lets you plug in your own API key for personalization. Full control, very smart. Here's the beauty. It runs 24/7. While you sleep, while you're out, AutoBuzz is working, pulling in new followers and buyers nonstop. Plus, the real-time dashboard shows your growth, your engagement, crystal clear. And it's affiliate ready, so your links and offers get traffic automatically. Other tools, they charge $99, $199 every month. Total waste. With AutoBuzz, you get lifetime access for just $27 one time. That's the art of the deal, folks. And right now, there are free bonuses worth $997 waiting for you. Incredible value, but only if you act fast. Click the link in the bio before they're gone. This is how winners in 2025 play the game. Smarter, faster, with AI. AutoBuzz AI, it works, bigly. To know all about this product, visit theproductoasis.com and search AutoBuzz AI, or follow the link in the description below this video.